Hello and welcome to another installment of Mr.A tutorials. Today we will be learning how to create this coupling base. First, let's go ahead and open up a new part. This will be in inches. The default setting is inches. First, we're going to draw a sketch on this horizontal plane. We're going to start by drawing 4 circles. 1 inch, 2 inches, and then another 2 circles on this side, so 1 inch, 2 inches. We're then going to create tangent lines connecting these 2 circles. And then we're going to go ahead and create tangent lines connecting the 2 smaller circles as well. Just to make sure that these are tangent, we're going to go to our constraints up here to tangent constraint. Click on the line. Click on the circle. This little symbol will indicate that this constraint is a tangent constraint. Okay, sometimes it already does it for you, so just a little message saying, hey, you've already constrained this. There we go. So everything here looks good. Next thing we're going to do is the spacing between the 2 circles, between center to center, is going to be 2.5. We're then going to trim the interior part of the circle and just leave the half that's on the exterior for both circles. Just like this. And if we go back to our original drawing, you'll see there's a little gap right here. So that's the one we're going to build right now. We'll go to line and find the center of this line right here. So you see it turns green. And this is just a reference line. That's all this is, just a reference line. Alright. Let me move this a little bit further down so it doesn't get in the way. I'm going to go 0.625 in one direction. And then I'm going to go across 1.25. So I can even come in here and delete this original tiny line I drew there. And just leave the big one. I can get rid of this reference line. Draw lines connecting that bottom line to this top line. And then I'm going to trim this portion of our shape. In this case, it says I can't delete it because I can't trim it and I have to delete it. There's a line on top of it. Now I can trim it. Okay. Everything here looks good. Let's go ahead and finish our sketch. And then we can extrude this. We're going to extrude it at 0.5. Now we're going to go and work on this portion of our shape. So for that, we're going to start a 2D sketch and click on this face right here. And once again, we're going to create 2 circles. Let's find the center of this. There you go. First circle is going to be 0.5. second circle is going to be 1.25. And we're going to connect this circle to this horizontal line here. Make sure it's a vertical line. And like before, we're going to make sure that these are tangent lines. Click on the circle, click on the line, click on the circle, and click on the line. The dimension from the center of the circle to the bottom here is going to be 1 inch. Let's go ahead and make that 1 inch. And just like before, we're going to use the trim tool to get rid of this part of the circle we don't need. Only going to leave that. Now we're going to extrude. And we're going to extrude in the opposite direction. 0.5 as well. Press OK. And here's our coupling base. If you want to change the color, you go up here where it says default. You can pick a glossy gold if you like. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to click the like button. Also, make sure you subscribe. And if you have any questions, write them down in the comment section below, and I will do my very best to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you and have a wonderful day.